India is emerging as a trusted partner for the global aerospace industry, driven by people who took extraordinary steps towards manufacturing excellence. One among them is Sibi Varghese, who found his calling in precision machining.
I was born and brought up in Kerala from Alapi district. Engineering I completed from Hindustan College of Engineering, Chennai, where I did my graduate in aeronautical engineering. My first assignment was with Airworks India Engineering Private Limited.
Sibi was part of the core team that helped build India's first independent airline MRO facility at Hosur, gaining valuable exposure to aerospace systems, business development, and large-scale industrial operations. But destiny had other plans when he joined Exonics in 2010.
Exonics actually started in the year 1985 by my father, Mr. Matthew M. 2010, when I joined, for 1 year he was here. Then in 2012 he passed away. Luckily I got a partner who is also interested into this field.
Today, Exonics Precision exports high-precision components to aerospace, semiconductor, and medical industries across the US, Germany, and the UK.
Problem is a part of this game. Daily some of the issues will come up. So I need to develop my knowledge in such a way that we should find the root cause within 10 minutes and move on.
As Sibi began understanding the realities of precision manufacturing, he realized that the true strength of the business lay in process planning and building a strong knowledge system around it.
First risk factor I identified was the programming is the main key, or the process planner.
Through years of continuous learning, experimentation, and process discipline, Sibi mastered the complexities of precision machining, leading Exonics confidently into the future of advanced manufacturing.
Bring in the latest technological machines, wherein the cycle times are less, process is good, can be easily controlled.
Today if I am here after my father, it's because of him.